Welcome to Sunil Poddar. We explore the essential elements of organizational success. Today, we will look at the simplest way to get into the concept of organization, structured approach that enables tasks, roles, and resources to align seamlessly for achieving shared business goals. From tech startups launching innovative AI applications to schools assigning roles for systematic teaching, effective organizations ensures productivity. I will also let you know simplified definitions by thought leaders, key characteristics, and the concepts between the formal and informal structure. By the end, you will know how to proceed the complex concepts taught you in schools. Organization, understanding organization. Organization refer to the structured way in which the tasks are planned, assigned, and coordinated among the groups of individuals to achieve shared business goals. It ensures people work together harmoniously using resources such as time, money, and the material efficiently. In a practical sense, it means defining goals, establishing authority, and maintaining relationships to ensure that everyone contributes effectively to the organizational success. For instance, consider a tech startup working on developing an AI application. Tasks such as software development, marketing, and the customer services are divided among the team members. Each person is given a specific responsibility, such as coding the application or creating marketing strategies, and they are expected to report to their team leaders. This organized structure ensures smooth collaboration and the timely completion of the project. Simplified definitions of organization. Louis Allen. Organization is the process of grouping and assigning work, delegating authority, and creating a system of relationships so people work effectively together. Example, school principal delegates authority to teachers, assigning them subjects and responsibility, ensuring all students are taught systematically. Wheeler. According to Wheeler, internal organization is like a blueprint for the distributing tasks and responsibility, creating a system to achieve business goals. Example, a retail chain establishes a department like sales, inventory, and logistics to achieve seamless operations. According to Oliver Selden, organizations combines work and resources to ensure systematic coordinated effort for optimal efficiency. Example, in an e-commerce business, combining IT infrastructure with marketing strategies ensures fast order processing and customer satisfaction. According to George Terry, organizing establishes effective authority relationships among tasks, people, and places for efficient teamwork. Example, in an hospital, the role of doctors, nurses, and administrative staff are well defined, ensuring patients' care runs smoothly. According to C.H. Northcott, organizations assign tasks to individuals so their efforts contribute to achieving common goals. Example, in a construction project, architects, engineers, and laborers collaborate to complete the building on schedule. Two key concepts of organization. Organization as a process, dynamic. This perspective sees organization as ongoing and adaptable. It involves identifying tasks, grouping them, and assigning responsibilities to individuals or teams. Example, a company launching a new product may adjust its marketing and production strategies based on customer feedback and market trends. Organization as a structure, static. This perspective focuses on fixed network of roles and relationships. Positions, authority, and responsibilities are predefined. Example, in a corporate bank, roles such as a manager, loan officer, cashiers are fixed, ensuring clear communication and accountability. Characteristics of organization. Group of persons. An organization requires people to work collaboratively towards a shared goals. Example, in a community project, clean a local park, volunteers come together and divide tasks like trash collection and landscaping. Division of work. Tasks are divided among individuals for efficiency and specialization. Example, in a restaurant, chef prepares food, waiters serves customers, and cashiers handle billing. Coordination. Different activities are integrated to avoid duplication and ensures smooth operations. Example, an event management company ensures that catering, decoration, and guest management are aligned for a customer successful event. Common objectives. Organization exists to achieve shared goals. Example, a charity running a food distribution aims to feed a specific number of families within a set time frame. Operative relationships. Team members must maintain harmonious relationships to succeed. Example, in a research team, scientists from different disciplines collaborate to develop a vaccine. Well-defined authority. A hierarchy ensures clarity in roles and communication. Example, in the military, rank such as captain, lieutenant, sergeant establish clear reporting lines. Effective communication. Communication ensures tasks and feedback are conveyed appropriately. Example, in a multinational corporation, video conferencing tools facilitate communication between teams in different countries. Steps in the organizing process. Identifying activities. Determine all tasks necessary for achieving goals. Example, a logistic company identifying activities such as order processing, packaging, and delivery. Grouping jobs. Organize similar activities into departments. Example, In a hotel, housekeeping, front office, and food services are distinct departments, assigning responsibilities, allocate tasks based on skills and expertise. Example, a marketing manager is assigned responsibility for running ad campaign, delegating authority, provide employees with the authority to complete their tasks. Example, project manager delegates budget approval responsibilities to finance officer, establishing relationships, define reporting and accountability relationships. Example, in a tech company, junior developer report to team leads, report to the chief technical officer. Formal versus informal organization. Formal organization is a deliberately structured system designed to achieve a specific objective. It has defined roles, responsibility, and a clear chain of command. For example, a company's organizational chart explicitly outline who reports to whom and the responsibility of each department. Conversely, an informal organization emerges spontaneously based on personal interaction, social relationships, and shared interests among employees. These groups are flexible and lack fixed structure. For instance, a group of colleagues who regularly meet during a break to discuss common interests, like a shared passion for sustainability, represents an informal organization, while formal organizations focus on achieving organizational goals through a rigid framework. Informal ones provide a supportive environment for creativity, collaboration, and emotional well-being, often bridging gaps in the formal structure. Together, they complement each other, fostering both efficiency and positive work culture. Need for informal groups in organization. Informal groups naturally emerge within a formal organization to fulfill the emotional, psychological, and the social needs of employees. They address gaps in the formal system because of some reasons. Protection against the workplace challenges. In hierarchical organization, strict policies and rigid structures may sometimes make employees feel vulnerable. Informal groups act as a support system, safeguarding employees from arbitrary management decisions. For instance, in tech firms like Amazon Research, employees lead communities, often advocate for better work conditions and policies, enhancing job satisfaction. Specialization and repetitive tasks, while efficient, can lead to boredom. Informal group helps counteract this by fostering camaraderie and sense of belonging. For example, companies like Microsoft encourage informal interest groups for hobbies like gaming, creating a more engaging and satisfying work culture. Improving communication. Informal communication, or the grapevine, allows messages to spread quickly. Managers often leverage this to gauge employees' reactions to new initiatives. A recent example includes Tesla's use of informal employees network to gather feedback on factory conditions before launching a major operational changes. Addressing managerial gaps. Sometimes managers lack to influence or capacity to motivate employees directly. Informal leaders, trusted colleagues, can fill this gap. For instance, in Amazon warehouse, peer leaders often guide new hires on the best practices, ensuring smoother onboarding, fostering coordination and team spirit. Informal groups build team pride and motivation. They often self-regulate by encouraging punctuality and reducing absenteeism. Real-world example includes employee-driven committees in companies like TCS, which promote team cohesion and reduce turnover. Advantages of informal organization. Fast communication. Information spread rapidly, enabling problem solving. Social fulfillment. Shared interests create a sense of community, like LinkedIn's internal employee resource groups. Support to formal structures. Informal groups provide constructive feedback, helping leaders refine policies. Challenges of informal organizations. Rumors, verified information may spread, causing misunderstanding. Resistance to change. Employees may resist organizational shifts seen during restructuring at companies like Meta. Focus on individual over organizational goals. Personal interests may occasionally take precedence. Differences between formal and informal organizations. Objective. Formal organizations aim at achieving predefined goals, while informal ones arise to meet social and emotional needs. Structure. Formal organizations are hierarchical with defined roles, whereas informal ones are based on personal interaction. Formation. Formal relationships are planned and deliberate, but informal relationships evolve naturally. Stability. Formal organizations are relatively stable. Informal groups may dissolve quickly. Communication. Formal communications follow established channels, while informal communication is spontaneous and flexible. Request is of an efficient organization. Strong leadership. Leaders with industry knowledge are critical, such as Tim Cook's role in Apple's consistent innovation. Clear policies, align policies with organizational goals, like Patagonia's focus on sustainability, effective supervision, regular performance reviews, and corrective actions practiced by the Procter and Gamble ensures accountability. Coordinations. Department must collaborate akin to sales and marketing. Alignment in startups like Canva. Scalability. Adaptability for growth is crucial. For instance, Airbnb flexible structure allowed it to diversify during the pandemic. Importance of organizations in achieving goals. Well-structured organizations enable business to adapt to changes, manage resources efficiently, and foster growth. There are some benefits. Optimal use of technology. Organizations like IBM constantly realign structures to integrate AI and automation. Growth and diversification. Robust frameworks allows companies to expand. Amazon's diversification into cloud computing is a prime example. Training opportunities. Employees gain hands-on experience seen in Google's 20% time personal projects. Both formal and informal organizations are indispensable for achieving business goals. Formal structures ensure accountability and coordination, while informal groups adds a human element action, whether through clear authority lines or the collaborative power of informal groups. Well-organized workplace drives innovation, growth, and satisfaction. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more content that simplifies